In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make funny faces in CapCut. If you want quick, playful distortions that track a face automatically, this is a simple and fun effect you can do in just a few minutes. Start by opening CapCut, either in your browser or on the mobile app. The interface looks slightly different across devices, but the process is the same. Once you're in, create a new project. When CapCut asks for an aspect ratio, choose 16:9. That's the standard widescreen format for YouTube and most landscape videos, and it gives you plenty of room to work. Even if your original clip is vertical, you can still place it on a 16:9 canvas and adjust the framing as needed. Next, add your video to the project and make sure it's on the timeline. Pick a clip where the face you want to transform is clear and well lit. Good lighting and a forward-facing angle help CapCut detect features more accurately, which makes the effect track better. Now, go to the Effects section. You'll usually find it along the bottom on mobile or in the left or bottom panel on desktop. Effects are applied on top of your video and can be timed to match a specific moment, like a reaction or punchline. Within Effects, look for Body Effects. This category includes effects that recognize people and faces, allowing the app to stick the distortion to the moving subject. If the app doesn't detect a person right away, try moving the playhead to a frame where the face is visible and centered before applying the effect. Inside Body Effects, choose Funny Faces. This is where the magic happens. Click to apply it, then press play to preview. If your face is tracked, you'll see the distortion follow the subject automatically. You can usually adjust intensity, size, or range using the on-screen sliders. Dial it up for a big, cartoonish look, or keep it subtle for a quick comedic beat. If the effect covers too much of the timeline, trim it by dragging the edges so it only appears where you want the gag. As you fine-tune, scrub through the clip to check the tracking. If the face turns away or leaves the frame, consider placing the effect only during the clearest moments. Layering multiple funny faces at different times can also punch up your edit without overdoing it. Give it a final preview from start to finish to make sure the timing feels right and everything tracks smoothly. That's all you need to start making hilarious face-warped moments in CapCut. Have fun experimenting, and keep your clips short, bright, and expressive for the best results.